Each year, parrot enthusiasts flock to Kempton Park Racecourse to the big Parrot Show, where they can meet other like-minded people and learn from the UK's leading parrot experts. Although there are no bird sales, some owners like to bring their own birds. For the 6th year running, Northern Parrots has been the sponsor and has one of the country's largest range of products on sale, and there are often special deals at the show. There will be some of the country's leading avian vets in attendance who you can speak to and gather lots of valuable advice and information. Ask about nutrition and if you are feeding your bird correctly. The country's leading food suppliers will be here offering their latest recipes and diets. There will be many exhibitors offering a wide range of different products, so you can see everything all under one roof, from toys to play stands and lots of accessories. It's all here at Kempton Park Racecourse. Attend the masterclasses, free with your admission tickets, and listen to the country's leading experts. And some of the country's best parrot trainers will be here dealing with some of the most common problems that face all parrot owners. Think Parrots 2017 offers a unique opportunity to mix and mingle with parrot experts. A place to listen and learn. Why not experience a fabulous day out and return home with a wealth of knowledge and lots of goodies for your birds? This year's show is at Kempton Park Racecourse, Sunday 11th of June, open from 10 AM until 5 PM. Admission is just £10 on the day, or you can order advance tickets at £9. All masterclasses are free and included in the admission price.